time is a praise.
Star, El the Emperor, King of Kings, to a fullness, up to express Rastafari that time. Whoa, yeah. So, Rastafari, all who shall mighty lead. More time, base up on the cell. Alright. The man never know them straight, boss a blank now. The man never know boss a blank now. The girls never know them clean and don't scream now. Oh, don't scream now. Anyway, a pleasant morning here, my people. You know, from the funny man, no day you know boss a blank now. Boss another one, cause you know more. Boss another one, cause you know so you're straight. Boss another one, no can sit down on your face. Boss another, pull up. Hey, give me some more volume on the stage. Holy man, when I kick Selassie, I jump. Yeah, me love what I want. Good morning, some first massive. Turn on the stage. Well then, love on and put away any frown. What goes around comes. Gonna pray, hey, pull up that. Wow, give me some more volume on the stage. Stop rapping me, and I put some more trouble in the fire for it. I want to, I'm a big friend. Big up the visitors them. Once again, love and put away any from. What goes around comes. Couldn't free, couldn't probably on the circus cloud. Not it him and not see the blood, that's the man town. John them out with a rich fire and sound. You say you love us already, and the romance must be an alien from out around. Rasta man in the zone. Well, Azala. That's something they get to youth. That's what that. When I come for waste no time, not even with who know. Well, Emperor Selassie, all who feel good about themselves, you know so you're feeling nice. Push up a light and let me see you. Represent yourself, young Tigger. Tourists that come to Jamaica, represent yourself. I want to say greetings in the name of the Most High King Selassie. Turn it up, yo. Show us the way, let us be sanctified. Fire blaze, I know cool, no way. Teach us to pray, save those who doomed to die. The needy son that tell them be forgotten, no way. I will be early King Selassie. Slew Saul and Goliath in the buckle, oh yeah. Strength and protection for I and I. Well done, tell them again. This is life, live and protect your own. Could never be right, keeping your black self down. Who should fight when they hear me sound just this and boy, I'm there, Babylon, from the north step. Who the hell? Ignorant answer, so me say that them a Vatican car. Matter your face or who you are. Emperor Selassie and the African star. War, show us the way, let us be sanctified. Fire blaze, I know cool, no way. Teach us to praise them, those who don't to die. Need the son of Allah, be forgotten, no way. I will be hailing King Selassie. Slew Saul and Goliath. Whoa, yeah. That's what that fires. Joe Rastafari. Whoa, King Selassie, I shall take a song. Well, Emmanuel and King Selassie, Joe. Hey, when I said guide over, Emperor, Pula. If you love the Almighty, push up a light at them. Push up a light at them. Why King Selassie, I shall take a song. Hey, why nah. Well, I say guide over us. Emperor Selassie, them a road, rugged and steep. I know it is a must for us to make it home. Ever through them, you're not seeing a feet. Guide over us. Emperor Selassie, Rasta knees good and never get weak. I know it is a must for us to make it home. Yeah. Well, these are those who can't stand it, they have been placing their rocks in the chops and leaving them never snakes laying. They don't swallow them head to be falling. You feel like the best witness that you're rising. Be so I will make it not to my way. No apology for your burn them every. Conspiracy leads to them to play. Not a boy. When I say guide over, Emperor, I know it is a must for us to make it home. Hey. Guide over us, Emperor Selassie, rose to rugged and King Selassie. Rastafari. Hear me now. Can you give me a little more volume in these speakers in the front? I just want to cuss. Them say a whole lot of things. And I'm here to perform and I can't even hear myself. Am I paying tax to hear my vocals through the speakers? Turn up my voice, my brother. Alright. There's nothing in the system of which they created all that. Hey, they criticize their own night. Yet they can't understand if they were to drown. They're not different from those scribes and Pharisees who come around. They look in the Sapula. When we look at so much baby, them are rape and a kill. You see me? Violence all over the island. Me don't know how guilty gonna be a broke out in a violence. I'm gonna like that. A Babylon cause it. There's nothing in the system of which they created order. You get me a little more volume. They criticize their own night train, yet they can't understand if they were to drown. They're not different from those scribes and Pharisees who come around. They lurk in the corners, skylark in the street, they flirt in the town. They never do positive. All this fun and time making people business their own. Dance again before you dance abroad. Jamaica tell you that time in the coast. Go and have some good way. Children, how you feeling? Hula, that's all right again. So that's it, I know. Yeah, whoa, whoa. Na 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 na. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. Jamaica say there's nothing in the system of which they created all around. Hey, they criticize their own trail, yet they can't understand if they were to drown. They're not different from those scribes and Pharisees who come around. They lurk in the corners, skylark in the street, they flirt in the town. They never done positive, always fun at all making people business their own. Dance a yard before you dance abroad. Call on to tell you that time you they coach. Go and have some good ways, true grace. Birds and pass and girls. Go and have some good ways. Yeah, go and have some good ways. Some of you can carry good ways, true grace. Birds and pass and what the man will I think Selassie I Rastafari is the multi-eye. Fire burn Babylon. Yeah, me know. Mr. Engineer, I can't hear myself good on the stage. I can tell you again, boss, it's going to become irritable. Mr. Wanda, I'm a party right here. Smoking Maria. Do you party right? There's only Chinese with the ganja, yo. Do you party right here? Smoking marijuana and that's not stuff. Do you party right? You know that song, yeah? You know that song, yeah? Don't think of it. Slow the river, get over it. Bound up. Listen, me ready for that, man. I can't hear myself. Me and and get rich. No matter how people bad mind and hands in the air. But the way about the bad mind and the classes. We about to see your friends there. I'll ramp you come for ramp. You'll pay a tax for that mix there. Mix well, we got the right time. Smack it on. We got the right. Alright. So from your conscious right that sing. They can't keep a good man. I will keep a try when they want you to. I keep my vibe and I stood mine. And they could never ever take you. Oh, God bless, I said. Things getting better when they not. Here comes the officers, they're asking for a. Can't take your herb. Some press your purse. Then I'm taking it. Say yes. Enough people are going and they want to come buy my country. Make a pass for a cars. Look like the flour mill sell out. Airport gone. All of the indigenous things, them indigenous things were for run the industrial part of Jamaica take time and sell out. Mr. Politician, I'm watching you. Holy Emmanuel I, Selassie I, Jah. Little children in a young thing of here. Stop the violence. No other part of the world here. And since like I learned to this, say Ethiopia Africa is working on the wall. I think Babylon and think mix. They are cutting big and no sense. And I know the mother can't pretend. I can think they buy your clothes. That's friends whenever you're enemy. Come and try bring you go. Pull up. Pass. Wallet. Listen to me now. Me no get no answer parliament. Now King's House. But I'm very intimate with the business of Jamaica. And me know why certain nation feel you can't come by on the country. And full up the country. And disrespect the children and the people in my country. And I don't want when visitors come to my country, who don't disrespect them. So Jamaica is a very educated island, yeah? I know Jamaica is a corporation business name. It's Solomon Island. And Jamaican people, you are the Hebrew Israelites. Hebrew Israelites. Study up them things there. We have the internet as a reservoir of knowledge. use it for pornography. Use it for educate to yourself. Use the internet to get where you couldn't get at school. Where you have to pay so much money for. It's now at your fingertips. I'm going to talk again. The system's so nice. Nowhere again. One place bad man bore up on the girl Nookie. That bore up on the skin and tattoo up on the skin. That shows that you're not reading the Bible. Alright? No found no read half sort of love book more than the Bible. If me check on the house, when I go 100 books and more. And the Bible that is on them books here. For you read all of them books here. It'll take a couple months and days. And them books they're thicker than the little Bible stuff. And you hear me now? You're gonna stop mess around, or else they're gonna slave you again. You're gonna stop mess around, or else they're gonna what? And when Bob Marley come sing and set up, it's gonna just go to what? And when the ancestors, Marcus, Garvey, and Nanny, Selassie, and Emmanuel, them set up, and the parents work hard, what you gonna do? When you get rich, buy land, build up houses, and educate to no picnic. Alright? Stop brag about the piece of dirty boot against you take care of you no member either weary. Brag about your picnic and get what? Education. When you look at bad man, stop pushing the privacy in the young girl them out. When you look at young girls, be careful when you leave in a parents' house and go to a road. I'm serious about this Jamaica rhythm. I'm going to come for waste time and I walk with you. We walk with Celeste and Nation. Alright, Pharaohs. We are going to run through the segment now. And make the tourists and the natives feel good. Simplicity they use to survive many found it difficult. The ignorance and that. Simplicity they use to survive. Yo, tell it over here from yourself. Tell you now. Simplicity they use to survive. They found that they take out because they're ignorant and that. All who never go jump and kick out. Some for 2018. If I want to come and it's not it. And I'm sitting on it. If I can say, pull up. Give me an extra. Burn me come for burn up fire in the place here. Next track. Holy Manuel I Selassie I Rastafari. Yeah. Kingston. Big part of the people all over the island, man. Anyone who chat from big up on yourself. Big up all the Jamaican artists and the elders and the musicians and big up the security and everything. Yes, you got to be strong and be the best you. I said no way. Feel good about yourself and rock to the reggae music, man. Turn on the system. Oh yes, you got to be and be the best you. I said no way. And now so then no one on the how you doing? Long time I haven't seen you. Hope you bring yourself not like I could be a visitor. Nothing comes you got to work on them. Hope and pray for the best because I believe in you. Not like a stereotype, like the chicken. Not like up on your life. For us being here, there's doing us. We've already run it from the house. Jamaican feel proud and no damn self. Yes, we got to be. Whoa, yeah. Thank you. Rastafari. Yeah. I'll do education over violence. I'm going to say put your right hand over your head, you know. If you say you stand for a better educated nation, represent someone. Hey! Rise to the occasion, no matter. No matter. What? Rise to the occasion, look at yourself. Hey, burn the fire. Well, it's for you to me. Burn the damn Who to bless? Who to bless? Who to bless? If you know that song, yeah, please don't ask me if you started for singing. Call them out. I can't hear it. You know I'm honored coming this side of the world, singing for your people. One of the beautiful shows in Jamaica. All right, sing for the people. From them hands, I got to erase them. Guys on the roof, I got dogs in the basement. All of my people, all of my culture, can't see the real, can't see the best. They hate color, till I didn't fall out. Don't catch, sing for the people, England, the USA, Mama Africa, England, road of Middle East, open and pull, road of South Pole. What the man when I said I say jump! Make it box here, boxing level. Call me up to sing a song. And a dance and a reggae alone. You have to give them a next night and baby song. For King Selassie. You know what I don't care. Say that you need Jaga and the terrible amongst them. Eden or say that you need Jaga and the terrible amongst them. Eden or life. So that's the almighty God for the black world, yeah? It's a new day, precious day, new day. Jaga's not far off. Said it's a new day, precious day, new day. 23rd of the month, yes, that's here strong. Hey! When you call him Rastafari, watch out Babylon tremble. Eden no lie, Janem. Sing Jamaica. When you call out Rastafari, a Rastaman the one that sing their wheel. Eden no lie. So let me tell you something, a Rastaman at the root. The Jamaica culture, yeah? Every black man is a Rastaman. Alright? And before now, razor blade and shave and then sit there. And nothing come up. And all of them shaving instruments and still black people make them. So let me tell you, don't look down on yourself. And not because of a bad situation you're going to allow it to spoil you. Keep reaching for the stars and beyond. Go look for your next planet and tell you you find the next planet where you can be. Alright? Don't make bad mind people hold you. Answer near and say, more fire. And you have a live this next year. Next track. August down. Massive big up on yourself. Yeah, some first, maximum, alright. Take it down. Well, that's the words of the man. To all the woman right up. Yeah, tell her to me. Yeah. I never go astray. Never go astray. Words of the man. To all the woman right away. Stop round with it now. Pull up. Let me tell you something. Dean Fraser, 809 band. Steve Stanley, great engineer, start with the engineer thing. When me I sing, take your fingers off of the button and stop mess around the volume of my voice. You're acting like the securities on the game. I am not so strong because I hate you. We're not trying to criticize me. But no, see me up on the show. Well, that's the words of the van. To all the woman writer. Tell them to be, whoa, I never go on. If you want to sing to the play, blow it. Words at the vine. To all the woman right out. I don't want to come up on this stage and can't get me up on this. So when we speak, just work sleep. Jump. Woman, I need you like never before. African. All of the man will love woman, boss a blank now. Boss 100 blanks now. Woman, when we say ladies, I want the girls them say sexy. Ladies. Well, yeah. Don't you matter what people might say. You're my everything. You're my everything. I need you, girl, every pull on. Too many women get the rape. I don't like it. Alright. When she said no, I know. I'm real. Yeah. Woman, I like. Why you can't quit here? Why you make it here? I'm here around with you. Hey. Oh, woman, I. That's what you say. Oh, yeah. Woman, I. Hey. Don't you matter what people might say, black woman, you are my ivory. I need you, girl, every night to be with you, that's the feeling. So let us be together, but this is what I refer. Look on the joy we bring. Our life is so much better. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah, na, 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 na. Friends, come and tell you words. Listen, girl, I'm the one that you deserve. So let me take you by your hands. Both of us will walk this home. Oh, yeah. Whoa, woman, I need you like never before. African woman, you're the one I adore. I would have spotlight there, follow me, sir. Where are you? Hey, big up yourself. And so I got all wickedness under. Cut off and flat up my lips and down. Teach up laughter. I'm saying you made their hearts go wonder. Woman, yeah, yeah, I love you. Woman, I need you like never before. African woman, you're the one. Woman, I need you like never before. Strike it from the top of that firehouse. I need this girl like never before. Joe Rastafari. Thank you. Try cry, evil touch, evil man. Pull up the one here. Sure. So the one your name, try cry, evil, evil, yeah. I can't hear it. Hey, who's for no one but you? Things do. Yeah, the human reasoning joy mixed with people would say things just for us to suffer. They don't want for us to reach them. Hey girl, yeah, yeah. Why does it have to be this way? Can't tell you. Reggae sunfest, pretty girls, just one of those. Just one of those. Am I too humble or ignorant? Things we got to play, nothing things important. What a thing. You girl, I left you right now. Don't you want to see you in another? Well, Emmanuel, I said, I see I Joe. Oh, damn. Remember, girl, where you coming? I'm the one to move where you belong. Hey, girl, you can be strong. Why does it have to be this? Well, Emmanuel, I said, I see I Joe. Rastafari, thank you very much for your patience. Yeah. Just one of those days. I'm missing you, girl. Yeah. Full fire. Turn on the instruments. Turn on the fire. Every man in the crowd, no funny man there. About 100 blanks for the girls then. Where do you go? Don't you need my love? When are you going to They just won't stop me from getting you. Team of beer, no goal on the whole crew. Hey, give me a try, pull up. People, they say them need me the value, you see. Sure. Big up on us and these and people and where they come from. Alright, Judgment Yard. Hey, Rush Riders, stop boys. Girl, where do you go? Don't you need my love? When are you going? When are you going to come away? Ah, what sort of thing they be telling you? I got to stop them from. They just won't stop me from getting you. Yo, give me a try. No bad. Things will be great. Me or mine. Don't deny. Bless upon the gods then. Yeah, I'm gonna take. Stars in the sky, love so. Booyah! The man never love woman hands in the air and said, "Ja, ain't no parties without the ladies." Big up on yourself, real general. Holy man will I say, Ja. You know I've been doing this so for years now. Sometimes them ban me off of the main shows them in the island. Just is about too much fire. I watch them, you know. Yeah, pull up some singing for them, you see. Anyway, put your hands in there and sing that one. Thank you, Mama, Father. To carry me through all those pain and suffering. Pull up! Every man in your bus a black for no mother. And every girl scream. Your parents have done well for you all. All who have them degree and bachelor and them sitting there, big up on yourself. All who have nothing, big up on yourself. Nothing ain't going nowhere. Uncle who have kill off on yourself. Big up the tourists and people visiting Jamaica for the culture and the music and the beauty of the island and the beauty of the people and the culture. Thank you, Mama, Father, carry me through all those. No one knows. I wanna walk forward. See I'm forward there. All who love them mother push up a lighter. All who love them mother push up a lighter. If you love your mother push up a lighter. Not the man we about the fire, yes. Oh, me not see no fire. I wanna do run out. I wanna do. The man we about fire past me, turn on the damn fire, man. Lighter. Well, since that time, Mama, I would never let you down. Never go away, always be around. You knew why you did it, such love that you found. Always gonna let you wear that crown. Through the roughest of times, you maintain your bounty with your real. While sheltering you from the storm. And when it's going to rock the going so. Hey, there's no one on here. Thank you, Papa, we make things proper. Send me go school so me now bust no copper. Thank you, Papa, we make things proper. Pull up, Jah, Rastafari. How are you fix up? Loud out. You don't mash up yet. Yo, try mash up the drum set there the night, yeah. All the man who never put their head on that front, get bust a block. The man who from Yanti don't even know you're straight, bust a block. Push up the light, I call them can't stop in a light. Turn me up, you know, the fireman you will have there. But I beg now, fireman. And a fireman, you know, I'm going to play about their fire. I'm Mr. Do they get me raw, you can be raw, you can say, I said now, do not get pull up. You're a weak fireman hour. Yeah? What are the gangsters them then? Say yo! That's how. Eh? That's how. Don't got you, man. Don't think you are. You say nothing younger than. Don't tell me you're gonna down the mercy, let me say to them. Who not pay attention or what, brother? Turn up the keyboard. So get to the point. Yeah, this is. I don't want to get rude, you know. Don't have to test me here. Hey! 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 Sure. Well, judgment go set for them. Good things we get for them. But tell the doctor you till I see I check for them. Don't put your head on that no girl dress, my friend. You are no other man, no have sex, my friend. If you do that, I make have a best, my friend. Kind of fun looking girl and go flex, my friend. If you violate the thing, I go select, my friend. And you don't know what for that I get, my friend. Next one. Hey, yeah, try to keep it clean, yeah? But uno, deal with them kids. You know that one, yeah? Blow your mind in the next round, yeah? It. Me not long up your sign up. Bless and bless and bless the people that move to. We have it. No. 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 Sing the next chorus. Wait. Me don't have any girl them. There. Wow. See how we turn you. Then the one on the blaze up it all. The Cuba me talawa. Blaze up. Thank you. The Sandman. In that sky. And the cancer. Sister Kalanchi, man. Humble and easy. I'm bonfire. It's burning so hot. And they can't put it. Don't be ashamed to sing. It's your love and love. Hey, hey. Oh, let it be the king. What a two. Back. Joe. Thank you. Hear me now. You're still taking what's not yours. Greedy baby, switching on me now. Picking up dirty attitude, but you now you lurk on every corner, trying to make a dollar from me. I'm gonna sing this song and let you be. See you next time. Some first, yeah. I gotta from all those things that hurt me. I gotta take myself away. Hey, hey, oh, oh. I gotta make my life so. And the thing and the thing and the bang and the bang and the thing and the thing and so when they bring you gon' put a little, you gon' put a lot. None of them boys they can't see young. I tell you what, they're trying to think of me, but me land. Top on the road, they see me out. Yeah, you matter about your big and your tongue. See that color that they reach up me and you know me and the Almighty One. Yeah. I gotta take my. I wanna say see you next time, Sumfest. Holy Manuel I Selassie I Joe. I gotta. Seems you don't want nothing good for me. I gotta give myself away. I gotta make my life so free. Yeah. I waste the time on you. Now the happiness and the been a cry on you. Now there's a fire. Willing to help you not work in the sea. Still be I remind me. Me a superstar, I'm a clock one for timing. To me say no little boy, can't go behind me. Man a gangster, me have me girl, she love the wine. Me tired of some press a treat some artists. Like them think man a too martis. Them no know Sir Rasta man a this parties. Me talk this. Me no deal with family or vulture. If I never Rasta man, you wouldn't have been culture. So me I tell you this straight. Police don't violate Sizzla Accra. And you have me got me bring me crew. Smile we happy, you know see none of them must cool. I real gangster with no play number 2. And if you violate a bullet gonna fly through. I got to tell myself from all those things that hey some first. Left like I'm a deal with a TV then. How you are talking about time's up? You know, sister, the crime is up. Make I tell you something. One thing you can know is Rastafari rule. But about the money, girl, not dumpling. Babylon and Rastaman, you can't fool cars. If you know your worth and you know your value, you will know you're someone good. Never stoop to foolishness. Push up your hand in the air. I'm on fire, me a shoot. I got to take myself away. Me not done yet, I'm level. Now one and young black woman and child. Oh yeah. For you, I really got such. Love you, Songfest. See you next time. Big up the Songfest promoters there. Don't feel no way. Big up the sponsors there. Big up the securities there. Big up the Almighty. Big up on the set. Who don't make it possible? Man, Dynamics, big up yourself. Jerry. Don't go rush on the whole crew. See you next time. Big up all of the users down here. Who don't stop fire gunshot and killing yourself down here. Alright? Jerry.